Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you all how to fix the audio delay. Now, the Razer capture card has 0 latency on video playback, which you all can see right here. The video itself doesn't have any video latency. What's happening on my game screen is what's happening here. The video latency is not the problem, it's the audio. It tends to have a little bit of audio delay, and that is the big problem. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to fix it and have yours work just like mine. Now the audio delay is really one of those things where I'm going to insert a clip in to show you all exactly what I mean by this audio delay. This is the actual setup itself. So the Razer capture card itself, once you have that in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a source, scroll down, add an input capture. So once you add that, mine is already here. My Razer is set to the audio input capture too. So once you have that in, you're going to select the Razer microphone HD HDMI. And then from there, there's no audio delay. This will be your game itself. I haven't had any audio delay, frame delay. I tested it out for about like a solid hour or two playing some video games, and I came across no delay. This seems to be really the only fix. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, or even a comment, and it would be greatly appreciated.